Hey, it's Jake again. Today what we're going to do is we're going to switch gears a little bit. I want to talk to you guys about a product that I've been using for quite a while. It's called Acorns. And if you clicked on this video, you're probably also interested in this app. You probably didn't find it by accident. I want to tell you a little bit about it, what I like the most about it, what I like the least about it, does it work? I got a bunch of things that I want to go over with you guys. By the way, guys, if you've not subscribed, please subscribe. We got a lot of cool things coming up ahead. Okay, let's just get right into it then. So what is Acorns? Acorns is an app that you can download to your phone, and what it specifically does is allows you to do what's called micro investing. All right, I realize there's a lot of people that are new to investing, so just really quickly, micro investing basically is exactly the way it sounds. It allows you to invest small amounts of money. It's really for the beginner or the student maybe who just wants to kind of tiptoe into the market, doesn't have a lot to invest, doesn't have a lot to start with, and just wants to kind of, get the feel for things a little bit. And the way it works is it does it automatically. What you will do is you will link your credit card or credit cards to the app along with a bank account. And whenever you spend something on your credit card or credit cards, what it does is it simply rounds up to the next dollar. So for example, let me show you what my account looks like, and I'll show you the settings that I placed on it. Okay, on the left side here you see the Roundup summary. Okay, you can see right here I went to Walgreens. There was a charge of $18.22, and you can see there's 78 cents that would bring it to the next dollar, but I set my roundups for 3 times, meaning that every time there's a roundup, it automatically multiplies by 3, just so it invests a little bit more, because when you're investing 11 cents here and 22 cents here, it kind of goes kind of slow. On the bottom here, you can see I had a roundup of $3. It's multiplied by 3. It would be a $1 roundup, but it multiplied it by 3 because I have my roundups 3 times. And the reason it's a $1 roundup is because whenever you have something that you purchase and it comes to a whole number like $20, $25, or $30, something like that, without any change, it'll automatically add $1 to it unless you set it differently, which you can do right here. And while we're on this screen, also take a look at the bottom there where it says Roundup multiplier. You can see how I have it set for 3 times. You can turn that off or put it on 2 times, 3 times, or up to 10 times, and that will just increase your savings a little bit faster. And don't worry, the roundups actually come out of your checking account, not off of your credit card. The next question is, where does Roundups invest? The app is pretty good. It actually gives you 5 different choices. Some people are ultra conservative and some people want to invest aggressively. I'm not here to give you any advice as to what I think you should do. Just be aware that conservative usually returns the least amount of money and has the least amount of risk, while aggressive investing usually returns the most but also has the most risk. Okay, now let me tell you what I love about this app. I love the fact that this app works automatically. I brought up a page here that shows the activity, the past activity, and you'll see these amounts. 669, 786, 753, 75. You'll see some of these larger numbers like 75 because I set up an automatic recurring investment for a larger amount of money, because I can allow the roundups to continue to invest. But one of the beautiful things about the app is that you can also set up a recurring investment for any amount you'd like, or not at all, whatever you'd like to do. If you decide you're going to use a recurring investment, the recurring investment will be in addition to your roundups, which is nice. Just as a side note, guys, take a look and you'll see some of these investments are dividends. And what's cool is that the dividends are automatically reinvested into the principal, which helps your account grow faster. Another thing that I like about Acorns is that for what it does, in general, the costs are very low. And let me explain to you. Basically, what you're going to be paying until you reach a $5,000 investment portfolio is about $1 a month. So it comes to $12 a year. Once you reach $5,000 in your investment portfolio, the fees go to 0.25% per year. And by the way, if you're a student with a .edu email address, there's no fees at all to have this app. Now, for those who are still worried about the $1 a month or the 0.25% per year on investment portfolios over $5,000, Acorns has this thing that they call found money, which basically is a way for you to get free money into your account. And if you do it like even just every now and then, you're basically going to negate any of the fees that Acorns has. Now, for example, if you take a look at the screen, you'll see that these are companies that you normally do business with. And you will see right from the top here, there's $10 invested into your Acorns account when you purchase through 1-800-Flowers. Here's an Airbnb, $200 invested. Hotwire, if you travel, maybe you get a hotel or a airline ticket through Hotwire. If you purchase through the app, you get 4% invested. I've run in the Spartan race 2 times. That would be 10% invested if I purchase the tickets through them. And there's a whole lot more of companies that if you basically purchase through the app, you're going to get money basically directed directly into your Acorns account. And like I said, it will make up for any $1 a month investment cost that this app costs you. Okay, I told you guys that I would also let you know what I don't like about the app, and here it is. What I don't like about the concept is that it is painfully slow to watch your money grow. The screen you're looking at right now shows past, present, and potential. And you could see that if I wait until I'm about 89 years old, I'm going to have about $800,000. But for me, that's about 41 years away. Listen, my advice for anybody who's young and watching this video, start saving with this app now. You have the benefit of time on your side. Do it now. Don't wait. If this was available to me when I was 20 years old, I'd be sitting in a much different place right now, believe me. And that's all I'm going to say about that. I don't plan on cashing this thing out for many, many years to come. But if you were going to cash out, let me show you how easy it is to do that. You simply go up, you hit withdraw, and you just type in the amount that you want, and you hit the button, and the money gets put right back into your account. Alright, the last thing I want to leave you guys with is a referral code. This also will help negate 5 months worth of the fees associated with Acorns. So just by signing up, you're going to get $5 to start in your investment account. Even better than that, every time you send a referral code to someone else and they sign up, you're going to get $5 in your account again. So you see, the $1 a month or even the 0.25% per year is nothing, because Acorns gives you multiple opportunities to make up for that. No problem. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. Go right over to the description, click the link, sign up for Acorns, get started. You're not going to be sorry. And as always, comments are welcome and thumbs up are appreciated. Have a great day.